Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken poblano that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Delicious chicken poblano. These are my ingredients. I have black pepper, 3 garlic cloves, chicken bouillon, sour cream, chiles poblanos, chicken breasts. This is everything you need to enjoy an amazing and authentic Mexican chicken poblano. So let's get started. Of course, first things first, getting roasted my chile poblanos. I have 4 chile poblanos that I'm going to roast right on top of flame, just like this. Make sure that you roast them really good from each side. When they're nice and roasted, put them in a little baggie. Leave them there so they start sweating like in a sauna. And it's very easy for you to remove the skin. So here, I'm just going to reserve them. Here I have 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up by smashing them. And then I'm going to dice very finely. I want the garlic to really infuse into the sauce that we're going to add to our chicken. So here I am going to put it aside. I have 1/4 of an onion that I'm going to slice. Nice and thin. You decide if you want to cube it or if you want to slice it. It all depends how you want it. If you really want to see it in between your chicken or if you don't want to see it, it's up to you. I'm just going to chop away a little bit and then I'm ready to reserve. Now I am ready to prepare the chicken breast. I am going to remove any fat that it has and then I am ready to butterfly it. I want to butterfly it and then cut it in strips. The reason that I like to do this is so that the chicken cooks at the same time and not too many pieces are too thick and others are too thin. So I like butterflying through the center and then slicing in long little strips, just like this. Once the chicken is ready, I'm going to put it aside and now I'm ready to start taking all the skin off the roasted chile poblanos. I'm using my knife. You could do it just by hand or you could get a paper napkin and remove all the roasted skin. Once you remove everything, then you're ready to just slice away nice and thin and then cut through the center so that the strips are not too long. And this really takes a little bit of time, but let me tell you, beautiful family, once you make this amazing pollo poblano, you're going to really fall in love with it. I love getting everything ready. So when I am ready to cook, everything is ready to go. Chicken bouillon to taste, sour cream, corn, garlic, diced garlic, black pepper, the chile poblanos, the chicken, and of course, the diced onion. In this pan, I am going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, not too much. The pan is nice and hot. I'm ready to add the chicken strips. To the chicken strips, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a little bit of the chicken bouillon, and I am going to add the diced garlic. I really want this to get nice and infused with the flavors of the garlic. So I'm going to leave it here. The chicken is going to release its own juices. And once it starts doing that, I'm just going to mix away, making sure that everything is nice and cooked. And now I am ready to add the onion, incorporate it really good. And let me tell you, I think this pan is too small for this amazing recipe. I think I'm going to have to transfer it to another pot. But let me show you how easy it is to make this amazing and delicious pollo poblano. chicken poblano. I'm going to transfer it to another pot. And to that pot, I'm just going to mix for about 3-4 minutes. And then I'm ready to add my corn. You add enough corn as you would like. The same goes with the sour cream. If you want it nice and chunky, just add enough sour cream. And if you want it with a lot of juice, add a little more of the sour cream. And now I'm going to finish up with the rest of the chicken bouillon. Now I'm just going to mix away, and then I'm ready to add my chile poblanos right on the top. Once you do this, cook it covered for about 5 minutes in medium-low heat. You really want everything to absorb the flavors of the chicken and the poblano peppers. So once you add your poblano peppers, you incorporate it, cover it, cook it in medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. And then you are ready to enjoy. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Of course, I'm going to enjoy it with Mexican red rice that you already have on my channel. Let me tell you, I am ready to enjoy this amazing recipe. I know that once you make it, you're going to fall in love. Easy to prepare and very authentic. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chicken poblano. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Of course, I added some Mexican rice that you already have on my channel. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. Mmm. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken poblano. It came out perfect. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.